One of the best ways to make sure that your advertising campaigns are going to work for your business is by ensuring one simple thing. When you sell someone, you make enough money on that sale and bring it in the first 30 days so that it pays for all your ad costs. If you do that, it doesn't really matter how expensive it is to advertise and get a sale, because you're going to be getting 2 people for every time you do sell, just because your service is expensive enough. This is how companies can scale their ad spend and scale their customer acquisition. If you're doing low ticket businesses, you're not making enough money on a sale to be able to afford the ads. You really need to have an organic following. And I know we all use subscriptions these days at flat fees per month, but the way Netflix and other companies that have subscription services that we've become used to using, the way they are able to scale with that subscription service is they get a lot of venture capital and private equity to give them a lot of money so they can go out there and afford to acquire customers. The only way you're going to be able to grow quickly without being venture-backed and using paid ads is if you have a compelling offer that gets as much money in the first 30 days as possible. Why 30 days? Because, hell, you could throw the ad costs on a credit card and pay it off before 30 days arrive. That means you've got 30 days of someone else's money to use to acquire that customer before that bill comes due. So that's how you can scale even when you've got no money.